will see who's the best at GTA. Cause I already know it's me. So
Crystal, shut up. You freaking suck. Hey guys, what? Who just did that?
That was me! Oh!
Oh, yeah, you were sweet. Yeah, you.
I bet I'm not gonna be sweet.
ooh, I like that. Cause you're blocking on the heater.
Not the haters. I killed the haters.
Wow.
You're not a hater. You're just a sucker, Crystal.
That's why you haven't killed me.
Yeah, you suck at this game. I haven't killed you. Are you serious? I haven't killed.
No,
Let's
I
put that to the test.
You haven't killed me, so shut up. And I'm blocking out the heaters. Oh my god, no, you're right there.
Who's
Oh
who?
my gosh, I blocked out the heaters. Oh, I get that. Oh my god.
Go get it. And I got her.
Blocking out the heaters. Blocking out the haters. Block out these haters. No! Oh my god! Ah, stop it! Crystal, shut up, screaming. No, cause you're killing me on purpose. No, we're killing you on accident. Oh my gosh.
What happened there? What happened? What
I
happened?
just killed you. I just sniped you.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
No, you didn't. Obviously. I'm not the one respawning.
I just sniped you. What the heck? Bro, what the?
So, were you saying that because you killed me or I killed you?
Because you killed me.
Exactly.
I mean, because I killed you.
No. Car or auto.
I do know how to lock my car. Bro, where did you come from?
Aw, dang it, I ran out of...
You ran out of bullets? Oh, hecky no. Haha.
And my pistols, not my other guns.
Boom.
You already on. It's already started.
Are you serious? Oh my god.
Yeah, Nick. Wow, Crystal, what happened?
You wanted this challenge. You wanted this challenge.
I just,
You what? You what? What happened? Well, don't.
You're gonna die constantly.
Get my gun out.
Ah. Nick, you in a fist fight?
It's whatever.
Let's go then.
Oh.
Wait, let's lose these police. Let's lose these police. Crystal, are you done? You done?
No, I'm
Done?
just getting started.
You
Why
didn't
would
start
you
it?
do that?
Really?
Amari, where'd you go?
She's right here.
Oh, that's you.
Get out that car! Get out that car! Oh, Nick, I just put her out the car. Nick, I just put her out the car.
My phone go.
You want some too, Nick?
No! Ooh. Oh, I'm already scoping crystals. I was sniping.
That's my job.
And we'll see who's the best at GTA. Cause I already know it's me. So
Crystal, shut up. You freaking suck. Hey guys, what?
my God! Get out, Nick! Nick, like 50 feet, more than 50 feet, miles away. Get out. You are not
No.
bet.
No. That was your first time scoping me.
So, yeah, I'm blocking out the haters.
You don't have any haters. Why don't you get that to you? Bro, you forced it. Yeah, you thought you was sweet.
And you thought it was he.
I tried.
Austin now smooth.
Forehead.
Oh, that's extra long.
Did they get the part where I was like, what did I say? I said something like, it's not thick, it's big or something?
What? No, we didn't know.
Yeah, we did.
We did?
Yeah.
Got that part? No, bro! You gotta edit that. You gotta take that out, bro.
No!
Crystal, please don't kill me. I don't have any more ammo. Crystal, pick me up.
I know where you are. Can't find you. You're not on my radar.
Girl, you are so dumb.
No, I'm looking, bro. I can't find you. You're not on my radar. What the hell? What the? Mari, where you going? Pull up, take old main. Oh.
Where are you? Oh, you took flight. He's gonna go get Crystal. Oh, no, you're not. He's right there. Oh, shoot. Mario, why you ain't coming out?
Cause I had to, what did I have to do? I had to stop my video.
No, you had to block up.
Cause it's like acting up. So I had to stop the video. Don't do nothing. I can't see. Stop. Bro, I can feel you running at me. Stop.
Oh my gosh, dude.
I thought you were behind that one wall. I'm retarded. Okay, I see you got tricks. Trick these.
Oh, y'all over there?
No, we over here. Dang! They just hit a cop. Amari, where you at? No, stop aiming at them. Aim at Amari! Yeah. Alright.
I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Leave a like, subscribe, and peace.